Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kashmira and I'm here with a brand new episode of bottle art. And in today's video, we are going to make this bottle. This is for NavRatri special. To make this bottle, you will need a glass bottle like this. You can take any colored bottle also. Then you will need a white acrylic color for a base coat. And I'm going to give it with the help of this sponge. So this is how it looks after 2 coats of white acrylic color. You have to wait at least 6 to 8 hours for each coat to get dry and then go for another coat. After it gets dry completely, this is the print. I'm gonna use it on this bottle. If you search it on Google, then you will get this image. Just print it out. Then I'm gonna take a bowl and some water in it, and then I'm just applying it on the edges of the image because I don't want the sharp edges. Yes, we are going to do decoupage using this image. So apply good amount of water so that the paper will get wet, and then you can just remove easily like this. So now the paper doesn't have any sharp edges, so it's ready for the decoupage. Now we are going to use this Fevicryl Mod Podge decoupage glue. Apply it with a flat brush and then paste the image on the bottle. Apply another coat on the image like this. Don't go for thicker coats. Then let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. This is lemon yellow. Let it dry for another 6 to 8 hours. Now it's dry. So the shade I'm gonna use is chrome yellow. Then this one is orange. This one is coral red, crimson red, and this one is new, Indian red. This is small size sponge dabber. So guys, it's almost done. जब ये पूरा ड्राई हो जाए उसके बाद you can apply any varnish. If you want matte finish, then go for matte. Gloss, then go for gloss. Anything. So this is the final look of this bottle. I didn't apply any varnish on it. So guys, try this and share your creations with me on my Instagram profile. And if you like this video, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever I will upload any video. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.